National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, southeastern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, southeastern Robeson County in southeast North Carolina, southeastern New Hanover County in southeast North Carolina, southeastern Pender County in southeast North Carolina until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Moore, Oklahoma, moving east at 100 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris may be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will remain over mainly rural areas of Bladen, Columbus, and Robeson. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Bladen, New Hanover, Pender, Columbus, and Robeson. This is the NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards station WXL50. This transmitter serves the cities of Fayetteville and Lumberton and the surrounding sandhills of North Carolina, broadcasting at a frequency of 162.475 MHz from the UNC TV tower in St. Paul's, North Carolina. For detailed weather information for your location, including extended forecasts and additional observations, visit the National Weather Service Wilmington's website at www.weather.gov/ILM. The tropical weather forecast for the following: for North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. Tropical cyclone formation is not expecting during the next 5